Hi, Jacob with Agorapulse, and in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at a very specific feature on the social inbox, and that is your user profile. Now, this is going to be utilized to give yourself, to give other team members context of who you're replying to, what are some previous conversations that have been going on, all in the greater good of building better relationships through your social platforms. So from the calendar view, we're going to go up to our social inbox, and this is where we're going to be able to manage all of our direct engagement. If you have your profiles organized by groups, you'll be able to manage all of those engagements within one group, and you can see based on this notification which profiles have activity that need to be reviewed. Now, if you remember from our general inbox tutorial that your review section is where all of your live items will come in. Everything that's commented, sent as a direct message will populate here. And then this is where you're able to take action, either replying, reviewing, hiding, deleting on certain profiles as well. Now, within this view, within any view in your inbox, when you're clicking on a specific conversation, this window pops up so that you can reply and directly engage with this comment. What we're talking about specifically today is this little user profile. Now, this profile is meant to track the activity and the conversations that you're having with this individual. So if we open up Richard's profile here, we can see all of the historical activity and conversations that they have had with us here. Now I can even narrow down if I want to look at specifically organic, add comments, reviews on specific pages. I can see that right here, specifically for Richard, specifically for Facebook right here. Now, what we can do to build better context for our teams and help to create better conversations, which in turn will build a better relationship with our followers like Richard, is taking advantage of some of these other features that give a quick glance of who this individual is that we're replying to. And these two features are going to be your label functionality on the user profile and your notes section. Labels can be pre-created and they can be added onto this user profile as you need. So if I want to identify Richard here as an ambassador, or someone who's engaged, or maybe a current client or user, we can label them right here. That's going to give great context to your team when they come in. That individual is labeled with that specific user label. Now, to give a little more detail and context, let's say that we're working on troubleshooting a delivery or troubleshooting an issue with Richard here, and I want my team to know, just in case they pick up this conversation, what that conversation is. They can always see the history, they can see the label, but I can add an individual and very specific detailed note. That way we can handle this conversation very specifically and again, maintain and build a really good relationship with our followers. This is specifically a very good feature for teams and individuals that are working multiple conversations within their inbox or passing conversations between and within the teams. Now, depending on the specific social network, you will also have potentially one extra action item. And on specific platforms like Facebook, that action item is the ability to ban individuals from your page. Another platform that has an action item like this would be Twitter. Twitter is going to allow you to follow or unfollow that individual directly from the Agorapulse dashboard. So if you are managing lots of conversations, if context between different team members is important, or transparency within your social platform that you're using to manage your social conversations is key to your operations, this user profile is going to be absolutely amazing. Again, it tracks all of your followers' history. It allows you to identify and label those users, and allows to give a little bit extra context within the notes section so that you can add more detail to specific conversations or the relationship you have with that individual. And last but not least, depending on the network like Facebook or Twitter, you're able to ban or follow and unfollow users directly from your platform here in Agorapulse. Thanks so much for watching. To watch more or to learn more about our advanced social inbox features, please visit our help center, visit our website, or start a direct chat with us today. Bye.